So if we look at burnout, what our data is saying, the top 3 most correlated questions related to burnout are related to sleep. So as you might appreciate, if people are feeling burnt out, the outcome is they're not sleeping well. The other correlated piece is conflicting job demands. And the last one, people finding it difficult to find time for their own health due to work demands. So again, by looking at the job design and the impact that's having on people's time and job clarity and potential conflict between co-workers, it can help organisations better understand the potential causes that is leading to burnout.